Hi there, this is JD again, and today I would like to talk about the string. Two things: brace height and maintenance, meaning waxing. First, brace height. If you buy a new bow or you put on a new string, the string will stretch in the beginning. So when your string gets longer, the distance between the string and your bow gets shorter, right? And there's a kind of an optimum space for every bow. Now, where can you find the brace height? I suggest, if you don't know the brace height for your bow, you just take a look on the internet where people sell the bows, or the manufacturer, and they always put in the brace height. So there you can find it. And I always translate inches back to centimeters, because that's what we have here in Holland. And for this bow, it should be 20.3 centimeters. And this is where you measure, where your hand goes, the piece of grip that is furthest away from the string, and in this case it should be 20 something, and there you have it. So I don't know if you can see it, but anyway, this is okay. I had to adjust because the string was still quite new, and I had to make it a little bit tighter. And how do you do that? You just take your what do you call it? String. How do you call that thing? Anyway, the thing you use to take off the tension of the bow, to take off your string. Anyway, so you take that. You take off the string one side, leave it on the other side. You always leave it on the bottom side for some reason. Yeah, and you take it off the other side, the upper side, and then you just give it a few more twists in one direction or the other. Depends on whether you want to make it shorter or longer. Simple as that. And then you measure and you do it again until you have the right distance. Yeah? Good. So that's about brace height. Then, right now, we will be waxing the string. Waxing the string is something you do, say, if you shoot regularly, say once a week, for instance. You cannot do it enough, though. So if you want to do it twice a week, because you really like waxing the string, you should do that. Don't hesitate. So for that you need string wax, which is hard wax. It's a lot easier if these string silencers, which I will talk about later in another video, if they are not there, then it makes it a lot easier. But anyway, you take it away a little bit like this, and then you just you put on the wax. Not all the way up, but over there. Yeah, just put on enough, more than enough. Okay, and then what you do with your fingers, you go up and down as fast as you can, and until you feel that the string is getting really hot, and then the wax will melt into the string threads, so to say. So you go up, whoop, 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 up and down, really fast, and you know, in different directions, and then at a certain point, you start burning your fingers, and then, you know, it's hot enough. Okay, I'm just going to do this part, and then for the other parts it's the same. The only part you do not wax is the middle part, the thicker middle part. You don't wax that. So you wax from over here till over here. Yeah? Okay, so now you put on a lot of wax. And you take a piece of dental floss, at least that's what I take. You can, any thread will do, but dental floss is nice and strong. And you just put it around one time. I go all the way down to the silencer, and then I just go up and I pull one part of it. Up, 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 up. And then the excessive wax will be on here. And a little bit there. Take that off. And there you are. Waxing the string. Simple as that. Okay. If you maintain your string well, it will last a lot longer. So that's it for today. See you next time.